Hello there, friends. This is the voice of Sanjaya, and I'd like to share a mantra or chant dedicated to the one and only, the master of the game. Any guesses? Well, it has to be none other than Savitra Surya Narayana Devata. Sorry for going overboard on that one. This is a mantra in Sanskrit. It's called the Surya Ashtottara Shatanama Stotram, which basically means 108 praises in the name of the mighty sun god Aditya Savita Surya. And since the sun god travels under several names, it makes my work a little more complicated. At the moment, I'm working on translating the meaning of the recitation, and I will introduce that as a separate feature on my blog, suryavrata.blogspot.com. Keep watching that space for more sun rituals and everything under the sun. Before I begin, let me also tell you that I'm musically challenged, so if I have gone off key anywhere, it's entirely my fault and nothing to do with the sun god. So please bear with me. Here we are, the Surya Ashtottara Shatanama Stotram. Om Shri Surya Ashtottara Shatanama Stotram Arunaya Sharanyaya Karunarasa Sindhave Asamana Balayartha Rakshakaya Namo Namaha Aditya Adibhutaya Akhilagama Vedine Achyutaya Akhilagnyaya Anantaya Namo Namaha Inaya Vishwarupaya Ijja Indraya Bhanave Indiramandiraptaya Vandaniyaya Te Namaha Ishaya Suprasannaya Sushilaya Suvarchase Vasupradaya Vasave Vasudevaya Te Namaha Ujvalaya Ugrarupaya Udvaggaya Vivasvate Udyatkiranjalaya Rishikeshaya Te Namaha Ujvasvalaya Viraya Nirjaraya Jayaya Cha Urudvaya Bhavarupa Lupta Sarathaye Namaha Rushivandhyaya Rudgantre Rukshachakracharaya Cha Rujasvabhava Chittaya Nityastutyaya Te Namaha Omkaramatrukāvarna Rūpāyo Jvalatejase Rukshadinatha Mitraya Pushparakshaya Te Namaha Luptadantaya Shantaya Shantidaya Dhanaya Cha Kanatkanakabhutaya Khadyotaya Namo Namaha Lunitakhila Daityaya Satyananda Swarupine Apavarga Pradayartha Sharanyaya Namo Namaha Ekakine Bhagavate Shrishti Stityantakarine Gunatmane Grunibrute Bruhate Brahmane Namaha Aishwaryadaya Sharvaya Haridashvaya Shauraye Dashadiksham Prakashaya Bhaktavashyaya Te Namaha Ojaskaraya Jaine Jagadananda Hetave Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadi Varjitaya Namo Namaha Aunatyapada Sanchara Rathasthayatma Rupine Kamaniya Kayayabja Vallabhaya Namo Namaha Antarbahi Prakashaya Achintayatma Rupine Achyutaya Sureshaya Parasmai Jyotishe Namaha Aksharaya Ravaye Haraye Paramatmane Tarunaya Tarenyaya Grahanam Pataye Namaha Om Namo Bhaskarayadi Madhyantarahitaya Cha Saukyapradaya Sakala Jagadam Pataye Namaha Namah Suryaya Ravaye Namo Narayanaya Cha Namo Namah Pareshaya Tejo Rupaya Te Namaha Om Shrim Hiranyagarbhaya Om Hrim Sampatkaraya Cha Om Em Ishtartadaya Suprasannaya Namo Namaha Shrimate Shreyase Bhakta Koti Saukya Pradayine Nikhilagama Vaidyaya Nityanandaya Te Namaha Om Shri Savitra Surya Narayana Namaha. Thank you.